What's the meaning of arose? Arose. Arose.
Arose. Arose. The word arose is the past tense of the verb arise, which means to come into existence or notice, to emerge, or to originate from a source. The result of something arising can be that it becomes visible, known or recognized, or that it appears out of nowhere. It can also imply the beginning of something new or the manifestation of a previously hidden or unnoticed phenomenon. In general, the term arose indicates that something happened or came about, often unexpectedly, and usually with some significance or impact.